beautiful fish.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
What are you thinking? Maybe a pike?
Yeah.
Pike minnow?
Let me see. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. Let's look at the back, at the top. So dark. So pretty.
Okay.
Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, that's a long one. He is long. And he looks pretty heavy. Gosh, look at your pole go. It just
Yeah, look
keeps
at
on
that.
moving.
There's got to be something there. Let me see what we got.
Huh. Let's find out.
He was putting some jerks on it, huh?
Yeah?
What is
Another mudsucker. Gosh, these ones are so big.